My kids love it when I make them fried rice, and they love Chinese sausage, so I include Chinese sausage in mine. I love this brand, so you're gonna wanna use 4 Chinese sausages. I like to remove the sausage skin by peeling it off and then cutting them into bite-sized pieces. The reason why I like to peel the skin off is because when I fry them, the oil oozes out more so. There are other Vietnamese fried rice that will use chopped up hot dogs. Or you can add shrimp or rotisserie chicken, or make it vegetarian, or make it vegan and not use eggs. The options are really endless. Prepare your aromatics by slicing onions along with green onions, and then in a large skillet on medium heat, fry up your Chinese sausage. You do not need to add oil, only because the Chinese sausage will release its own oil, but I do like to add butter just to give it a nice flavor to it. Add your aromatics, which consist of yellow onions, green onions, chopped up garlic, and then fry for a minute until your onions soften, and then add your rice. It's important that you use day-old rice, only because when you use freshly cooked rice, the fried rice is going to be too gooey. And you want to make sure that it's cold rice as well. I like to add frozen peas and carrots to mine. Then season the rice with maji seasoning or soy sauce and fish sauce and sesame oil. Give it a toss, and then add ketchup. I know the ketchup sounds weird, but a lot of Vietnamese households will use ketchup in their fried rice. It just adds such a nice flavor to it. Then push your rice aside, and in that same pan, add your beaten eggs, and then scramble them. And then once they're somewhat dry, then mix them together with the rice. Garnish with chopped cilantro and green onions, and you have yourself a meal, or as a great side dish.